If you do me no woman, talk off what he agree. Emina kona amma wa he agree. Can worry ya ye without mona ya fe. If you salmon or jene, if you fema, if you gara, ya koko edo, talk off what he agree. Emina kona amma wa he agree. Meno wo bi wa. Your son, your brother, your family, the founder president, Edo Indigenous Movement, Edo Progressive Indigenous Association. I brought this broadcast to you all today for us to learn from and for us to utilize it to better ourselves and learn on how we can be a better us and do better for the interests of our next generation. For all those of us, when it be say, una no dey take care of the things when our brothers and sisters bring come from abroad, put for una hand, make una dey take care of. At the end, they go come back, see say nothing dey on ground. Fellow Edo indigenes, una no dey help us. Make we begin change our ways. For the people wey dey Obodo Yibo, they bring all these things. They send us money, make we take build house for them. Make we take buy things for them. Make we take prepare something wait for them. Why it be say, when they come back, they no dey see anything wey una do on ground. Time don't reach where we go take begin change our way. Time don't reach we wey dey house where we go take begin put the interest of our brothers and sisters wey dey Obodo Yibo. May we put them first in anything wey we dey do. Abi una don't know say sometimes they wey be say una fit when they send una message, depending on the way you take the think, the money where they take send una message, una fit price things and still make small gain from inside and leave the bigger share and do the things where they say make una do. You fit still do them, make gain. We completely condemn the idea when it take be say una they go send money give una wey dey house, una go just chop everything and una go remain small thing for the person wey suffer bring the money come from abroad. Una know how hard and how difficult it is for that side. Una know how much suffer the people wey dey abroad they suffer before they bring $100 and come home. Many of them they work 2 jobs. Many of them get house. They know they sleep for the house because of the 2 jobs where they do. Make una dey sorry for the people wey dey abroad. Our indigenous people wey dey house. Edo indigenes wey dey house. Now una they talk to. Make we look into our mind and figure out how we go take change our way, because all these things not the rain again. Not be the right thing to do. You don't take where we they wash our linen for our dirty linen for outside. You don't reach where we go take begin put the interest of our brothers and sisters where they suffer for Obodo, when they hope say one day they go come home, come retire. Abi you think say as you dey Nigeria so, as you dey Edo so, say most of them no want come back. They want come back. Then just they try and make sure say everything don't settle first for house. They don't get house. They don't get investment. They don't get what you go to give them daily bread before they come home. For your information, about 90% of people where they Obodo Yibo, they want come back home. And most of us where they home, now in the cause and where we say they not fit come home because the money where they don't send come. Since when they don't date that side, we never feel help them take do better thing where go make them feel come. The issue of paper where they get for that side, that one they hold them for one corner. Some of them go through paper matter for almost 10 years before paper reach their hand. And in the process, they go they send una money, say build house for me, they go get mine, say house not ready. By the time they don't get paper, come back now, they go come find out, say house never ready. And even some of them go they do some bad things against their brothers and sisters where they are abroad. What shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? Wetin e go profit you? The person wey dey suffer for the money, no be human being e be. Abeg, my people, we don prepare to repair Edo Kingdom. Mamwegbe ni ma ya dole doji. Egbuni meberi o magi kwalo. Unine na ya tegbemu e magi kwalo. Unima dolo. Unime imwegberi uto. Unima lao dao e magi kwalo. E temeni kwe, e temeni ku. Ken wariri aje. Nuwae we Edo indijin so muja nuwane. Eke nuwariri aje. Walaho. Waga aweni. Waga asendi gorio wa. Waga agi oge abetima hu wa. Nuwalao. Nuwabe a employers party by. Ni abe a debayan. Ya monitor emi nuwagi ya na Edo mie we okeke are wa abere. Wa abe mie mi nuwa. So it is very important for all of us this time, because Edo indigenes is no longer interested in hearing such news anymore. We just want make it be say all of us, when we do things, we put the interests of our people first. We do and make it be say at the end they go happy, because not be only you where they send money can give, not be they say make it use the money take better. The owner himself, he work for the money, make him for take better, make him take do better thing, make him take develop Edo, make him take support government, take repair this Edo. Now we all stand for, because I believe say you yourself, where they put the money for a hand, if you put your money for another person's hand, say them eat them, or they use and do what you not send them, I know how body go prepare you. So I beg una, I use God beg all of una, make we join hand together with EPRA, make we repair this Edo Kingdom. As we don't start so, nobody will feel stop us. Because una self, una matter to us. We want to make sure say, nobody for this world, they bring una down again, they set una back. Nobody will go to complain about Edo people, because as far as we are concerned, we'll be better people, we'll not be bad people. We'll be good people. So now, things when we learn, when some people learn, we no good. Nine, they cause all this one. So we beg all of una, make we change all these habits. So our brothers and sisters, make una not use this one, take give up. Say una not they come home again because of the news we una dey hear. Say security not there, this one, that they chop person money for Edo. My sister, all those things don't change. If you come Edo now, Edo be like Dubai. Things they work here where investment they grow, development they grow from one place to the other. Things they better they go. If you put business anywhere now, you know they reach ground for Edo. Edo don't better pass 20 times the way it be before. Make I tell you now. Make you not let anybody deceive you now. Me, they always there Edo. Many people they come from abroad, they there Edo invest for here. They lie to una, say make una not come back, say this they happen. But meanwhile, they here, that they make money when they invest their money properly. My advice to una, say if una they put money for investment for Edo, make sure say you follow the money come. You invest them by yourself, sacrifice, stay on ground. Watch after your investment, watch after your building, watch after your construction. So where you work and reach, you suspend them there, you come out again. When you come, you continue from there. This is not the message where EPRA bring for all of us, because time don't reach where we say Edo indigenes no go tolerate anybody to the chop our people money again for ground. Then make we day here, we stand gidigba. And una fit call us at any time. And make una go register for Edo Indigen at www.edoindigens.org. Register there. Make you for contact us and get your Edo Indigenous ID card membership ID card. Make you for join us. Make we they preach better news. Make we they carry better news. They tell each and every of our brothers and sisters where they anywhere in the world say we don't arrive, we don't love ourselves, we don't unite among ourselves. Now our people will they follow buy something. If you not be Edo Indigen, we will first of all buy from Edo Indigen first before we go. The money go day inside our circle for 5 times before we go non-Indigen. So we they beg all of una, make una no give up. the Nigeria wahala one, they think Nigeria do this, Nigeria. Not bother think about Nigeria. Just they think about the Edo Kingdom. Reduce the workload. Reduce the load where you take the stress yourself. Just think of Edo. Bring all your investment, come Edo. Before it's the best place where you go invest. And come on ground. We dey here. Everything dey well. Make you not worry yourself. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, man. Why I talk about talk, he said.